This is part 2 of option 1 for semester 2 prep. We checked on the modules, everything came in as planned, but now you need to go look at your assignments, because unless you import every assignment, which is what I did here, the assignment groups won't carry over usually with the copy course content function that we did. So if you need to add these again, super easy to do, but this is where you need to do that now. You can hit the plus group button and add, or this default that comes in, assignments, you can go to your more menu, edit this, choose daily work, and then add in your percentage and then save that. Since I already have it, I'm just going to cancel and back out. But this is where you need to set up your grading group categories so that they will be ready for grade pass back in Skyward. Okay, now we're ready for step 4, which is to cross-list all of the additional sections into this new master course. So here's a refresher on that. I'm going to highlight the Canvas course number, so these last 6 digits here in this URL, and I'm going to copy that because that is the number I'm going to reference when I cross-list the other sections. I'll return to her dashboard, and I've already cross-listed second period, so I'm going to do this with 6th period. So I'll open it up, click on settings, and go to the sections tab. I'm going to click on my 6th period section that I want to cross-list, and then select cross-list this section. So once I do that, I'm going to paste the course number of my master course and then verify, yes, 1st period, 2nd semester, that is the one I want. Make sure you are positive, and then choose cross-list this section. So I get the message it was successful. Now when I return to the dashboard, that 6th period card should be gone as well. And now there's only 8th period that's left. You'll repeat the process using this exact same procedure to get all of the appropriate sections cross-listed into the master. The very last thing I'm going to do is publish the course. Remember, if the course is not published, then your students will not be able to access it or see it on their dashboard, and you definitely want to make sure this is done and completed before January 5th. It's also a good idea, after you publish your course, message your students using your inbox and let them know that they will access a completely different course card. So now, instead of semester 1, these students will access semester 2. Okay, hope this is helpful.